morning, dear students. In the continuation of Boolean algebra and logic gates, we will now discuss about universal gates and exclusive gates. In the first video, we have discussed about the basic gates of Boolean algebra. Now the universal gates. Universal gates are the gates by which we can create the basic gates also. By using these NAND and NOR, we can create the basic gates. That's why they can be used in the place of basic gates. That's why these two are known as universal gates. The first one is NAND. Look at it. NAND contains AND plus NOT. Means combination of AND and NOT. If A and B is the expression given with whole bar, means NOT. So the Boolean logic circuit, if we are needed to create, that is A and B are the inputs to the AND gate, and the result produced as A and B will be negative by NOT gate. That is converted into A into B whole bar. So this is converted by AND as AND gate and NOT to convert into this situation. This can be made by NAND directly. This is also y equals to A dot B whole bar. So NAND is having the symbol as the symbol of AND gate with a NOT. This is the symbol of NAND gate. So AND and NOT can be compressed into NAND gate like this. If we need to create a truth table of NAND gate, as A and B are the input, it reverses the result of AND gate. Here, in case of NAND, it is 1, 0, 0, 0. It reverses the result of AND gate. This is called NAND. The second is NOR. NOR. As the NAND was the combination of AND plus NOT, here NOR is the combination of OR plus NOT. The working is same. The symbol here is OR with a NOT. If the expression is A plus B whole bar, we can write it as in OR it is A plus B, and when NOT is placed, it is converted into A plus B whole bar. But if we are using NOR, so directly we can make it convert. It is same as A plus B whole bar. This is NOR gate. The truth table if we are making, so this will reverse the result of OR gate. Here 1, 0, 0, 0. The OR gate. So OR gate including NOT converted into NOR. The same AND including NOT is converted into NAND gate. So these two are the universal gates. Now, we'll discuss about the exclusive gates. The first one is XOR. This X for E X, that is exclusive OR. The symbol is exclusive OR. Logic circuit, A and B are passed here in an exclusive OR, and it is shown as Boolean expression as y equals to, look at this, plus placed in a circle, A XOR B. As plus symbol is used as OR symbol, but when it is surrounded by circle, it is converted into XOR symbol. The definition is XOR gate returns true if number of true in the truth table, number of true inputs are odd. Wherever true inputs are in odd number, it returns 1. It returns true. A plus B, and this is A XOR B. So 0 0 1 1 0 1 0. Look at it. At this place 1 is odd, this place 1 is odd, out of 2. The placement of 1 is 1 here, here also 1, here 2, 2 is even. So here odd placement of 1, here odd placement of 1. So these two returns true, in case of OR it returns 3 1, but here these two returns 1 and this one returns 0 in case of XOR. So XOR gate returns true when the number of true inputs are available in odd numbers. This is XOR gate. And finally, XNOR. XNOR, it is exclusive NOR. Exclusive NOR, the symbol is in XOR we place the NOT. So what happens? It reverses the result of XOR. Means A and B, two are the inputs. Placed here, it is A XOR B whole bar. The definition is XNOR gate returns true when the number of true inputs or one input is in even number. As XOR B, or this is whole bar. XOR B, what happens? The odd numbers. And here, in this case, only the even numbers of input 1, true, will show you the true result. Here 0, 0, 0, 1. Means it reverses the XOR. Reverses in the sense, reverses I am telling you because it changes the properties. Here XOR will show you the true result when the number of inputs of true are in odd values, and XNOR where the number of inputs true are in even values. So these are the universal and exclusive gates, dear students. We have discussed all kind of gates as basic gates, universal gates and exclusive gates. So keep revising these two. We will discuss the next topic in next video.